It's Berserkaru! It's coming at you live from where? From Mum's. Mum's house. Look, here's Mum. Hi, Mum.
Hi, Berserkaru.
What are we doing today? We're unboxing. What are we unboxing? We are unboxing the Troopy. The Troopy's been wrapped safely as a care package by Mum's friend Gary. Shout out to Gary, thank you. If you can't tie knots, tie lots. So Gary's had this wrapped up and now we've got to get into it because I came down from Rockhampton last night and this morning in the mighty GFX, loaded to the eyeballs with Toyota Troopy parts. It's packed, it is. Look at the back of it, it's packed. Look at the front of it, ooh, it's packed. And even in the back here, under the floor, it's full, it's proper full. But even in there's Troopy bits, in here's all bits and that. So, in the trailer, we have a spare tyre. This is obviously a Nissan. It's a Nismo 3-spoke wheel. And then we have a front bumper bar there. And these gearboxes are obviously Subaru. And they're going to someone else. So I brought those all down with us. GFX, what a powerhouse. Smashed out another 1,000 kilometres or thereabouts. No dramas. With triumph there. So me and Mum will continue unboxing the Troopy and then putting the boxes of Troopy parts in the back of the Troopy. And a bit later on today I might have a look at this engine and see if I can't put the crankshaft pulley, keyway, front main seal and nut on properly. And it should be fixed. And then we can troop train. Get on the Trump Troopy train. Alright, that's enough of that nonsense. We're out of here. See yous when we're looking at yous. Bye-bye.